Put out. Different usage of phrasal verb put out. Bear in mind that phrasal verbs can have unexpected slang meanings. Put out is one example of this, but there are many others used in everyday English. For instance, make out USA and get off UK, both meaning to kiss. Defeat in a sporting competition.
Two friends talking.
Everybody were shocked when our team put the toppers out of their ranking.
I knew it all along, that you will win this competition.
Hurt or injure, usually about the back or joints.
Two friends talking.
John's put his shoulder out playing tennis, so he won't be joining us for our match.
It's really sad to hear that. He was our main player.
Have sexual relations with someone. American slang.
Two friends talking.
I heard Jenny puts out on the first date.
Well, I don't believe in rumors. And you don't have any right to assassin someone's character.
Stop from burning, extinguish.
Husband and wife talking.
I'm going to bed now. Please, put the lights out when you come up.
Sure, we'll do that. Good night, my love.
Place outside, give away for collection.
Two neighbors talking.
In summer, we like to put some water out for the birds in the garden.
That indeed is a very generous deed.
Inconvenience, create extra work for.
Two family members talking.
I can easily stay at a hotel. Please don't put yourself out just because I'm coming to visit.
It's no inconvenience if you stay with us. You are family.
Broadcast, publish, produce and make public, introduce to market.
Two siblings talking.
Any further update on that bank robbery?
Yes, the police have put out an official statement following the bank robbery.
What is it?
Let's watch the news together.
Move hand/arm/leg away from your body.
Two strangers at the bus stop.
If you want to stop a bus, you need to put your arm out.
What? This is a bus stop. The bus should stop here as scheduled.